Never have I ever been so happy to finish a section of a project. This wire wheeling and welding and busting rust, and good lord, it took forever. So you may have noticed there in the time lapse, I had to make a little patch here. There was a section with a crack in it, and I was going to weld it, and the welds just broke through, and then I pulled it open with the screwdriver, and there was a ton of rust in there and mud and all kinds of stuff. So somehow water got on the inside of that and rusted out a bunch of metal that's in there, although on the inside it's perfectly fine. There's nothing wrong with it. I'm guessing it got in like right there. I'm not really terribly concerned about it, but I did put that patch on the outside of it. Rusty's kind of living up to his name with that little hoo-ha going on in there. But I got the glider plate on this side. Everything looks like it's going to work out just fine. Now we just have to wait for a sunny day, because I need a 3-hour window of pure sunshine to paint this. So that'll have to wait for another day. But other than that, guys, I think that's going to be it for this episode. If you like this episode, give me a thumbs up. And hey, help me out. Leave me some comments. Tell me what you liked. Tell me what you didn't like. I'm open to both, and I try to respond to everything, especially right now with some of the free time we have. And this project just keeps me going through these times where we're not really doing anything. So leave me some comments down below. If you're not subscribed yet, I'd love to have you as a subscriber. But other than that, take care, guys. I'll catch you next time. See you later. Bye-bye.